The Cannibal of Candyland, Satan Burger, The Village of Mermaids, and Zombies and Shit are all made by Carlton Merlick III. So these are all types of literary genres called bizarro fiction. So what is the definition of bizarro fiction? It is a genre that focuses on the weird, absurd, and surreal, often pushing the boundaries of conventional storytelling. So the characteristics are emphasizing strange plots, bizarre characters, and a sense of grotesque or fantastical character. So one of the example of the bizarre fiction is one called the Atrocity Exhibition by J.G. Ballard. It is known for unconventional structure and surreal content. The Atrocity Exhibition is a novel written by J.G. Ballard published on 1970, and it is often categorized as a work of bizarre fiction due to its unconventional grotesque. Here are some reasons why the Atrocity Exhibition is considered a bizarre fiction book. So number one is the experimental narrative structure. So the novel does not follow a traditional plotline. Instead, it is composed of a series of interconnected but fragmented characters that explore different themes and characters. So this fragmented structure can be disoriented for readers, but adds to the overall surreal and bizarre atmosphere of the book. Second is the exploration of taboo subjects. So the Atrocity Exhibition delves into controversial and taboo subjects such as violence, sexuality, and mental illness. So the novel presents these themes in a provocative and unconventional manner, challenging societal norms and expectations. So third is the surreal imagery and symbolism. So Ballard employs surreal imagery and symbolism throughout the novel to create a dreamlike and disorienting atmosphere. So the use of unconventional metaphors and visual descriptions contributes to the overall bizarre fiction style of the book. So fourth is the critical examination of modern culture. So the novel serves as a critic of modern consumer culture, so mass media and the impact of technology to our society today. So Ballard's exploration of these themes through the lens of surrealism and absurdity aligns with the bizarre fiction. So last factor is the psychological exploration. The Atrocity Exhibition delves into the psyche of the characters, exploring their inner thoughts, desires, and fears. So the novels focus on the psychological aspects of the characters as to the bizarre and unconventional nature. So overall, the Atrocity Exhibition is considered a bizarre fiction book due to its experimental narrative style, exploration of taboo subjects, surreal imagery, critical examination of modern culture, and focus on psychological exploration. So it challenges readers with its unconventional approach to storytelling and themes, making it a standout work in the bizarro fiction genre.